In this video guys, I will show you how to see Twitter comments. To see a comment on Twitter, all you have to do now, go and open your Twitter X. Here is it now. So after you open your Twitter now, allow it to finish loading, as you can see now, like this one. So now if you want to see a comment under a post, now scroll to down and check your, find a comment that you want to, or find a tweet that you want to see a comment under it. Let's see, as you can see now, here is it. Here is Elon Musk. As you can see now, here is Elon Musk's post. So if I want to see the comment under this post, as you can see now, this post get almost 6k comment. As you can see now, it gets 5.8k comment. So now if you want to see the comments, all you have to do now, don't tap on the image. Now if you tap on the image like this, as you can see now, it will just only open the image for you, but you can't be able to see the comments. So if you want to see the comments, just tap on this back arrow and tap on this section. As you can see now, tap on this section, tap on the left side of the comment. Don't tap on the image, just tap on the left side of the comments. As you can see now, don't tap on the comment, just on the post, just tap on the left side of the comment, this section, tap on it. So now scroll to down. If you scroll to down now, as you can see now, here is all the comments that people are making under this post. Scroll to down, as you can see here, all are the comments that people are making under this post. So let's say, for example, someone, as you can see now, this post, after this person make a comment under this post, and someone again give him a reply, as you can see now, there is reply. As you can see now, someone gives him reply under his comment. So if you want to see the reply, all you have to do now, just tap on the left side again. As you can see now, tap on the left side of the comment. Don't tap on the image or tap on the comment that is written. Just tap on this left side of the comment. As you can see now, just tap on this section, left side of the comment. So if you tap on the left side on the comment, now scroll to down. As you can see now, here is the, as you can see now, reply that this person get, and tap on this see more. You can be able to see all the replies. Scroll to down. As you can see, here is the reply that this person got under his comment. That's it guys, on how to see comments on Twitter. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.